Breaking news on Highway 81 outside Stuttgart, Germany, where officials are investigating a strange occurrence that has baffled evening commuters. What started out as a regular day on the job for Ernst Becker, driver of a cargo truck, quickly turned into an out-of-this-world experience. This footage from the highway's closed-circuit cameras gives a glimpse of what happened. The truck was momentarily lifted off the highway, then dropped back on the ground. However, eyewitnesses claim to have seen a mysterious light hovering over the truck as this happened.
We are live at the A81 with an eyewitness. Tell us, what have you seen? I was driving on the highway and suddenly there was this light. It was really bright and everything went so fast. Suddenly the truck was in the air. I don't know, it was strange. I'd never seen something like this before.
An unidentified, metal-like liquid was also discovered on the scene. And to add further mystery to this incident, the cargo of the truck is now missing. Residents who live around the vicinity have been asked to be vigilant and to keep an eye out for the missing
hier am unteren Hengstecke-Tunnel in Stuttgart, Deutschland, wo ein seltsames Fahrzeug von der Kamera angefangen wurde. Bei dem Fahrzeug handelt es sich vermutlich um die verlorene gegangene Ladung von dem Zwischenfall, der sich auf der Bundesautobahn 81 letzte Woche ereignete. Wobei das Merkwürdigste daran lässt sich jedoch erkennen, wenn wir das von der Tunnelkamera aufgenommene Filmmaterial verlangsamen. Bemerken Sie das mysteriöse Licht, welches das Fahrzeug scheinbar verfolgt? Könnte es sich hierbei um das gleiche Licht handeln, durch den der Fracht-LKW letzte Woche abgehoben wurde? Die Art und Weise, wie sich die beiden Zwischenfälle abgespielt haben, gibt Rätsel auf.